Ready to finally turn your passion into profit? We're diving into Ko-fi, the super simple platform that lets you get support from your fans through donations, subscriptions, and even selling your awesome creations first. Head to Ko-fi.com and click sign up. You can sign up with your email or link your existing accounts like Twitter, YouTube, or Twitch, making it extra easy to connect with your audience later. Once you're in, personalize your page, add a profile picture that represents you or your brand, then write a short, engaging description telling visitors who you are and what you create. Let them know why their support matters. Next, set up your payment options. Click the Payments tab to connect your PayPal or Stripe account. This is how you'll receive those sweet contributions. You can also set a Ko-fi goal to show fans what you're working towards. Want to sell digital goodies? Click the Shop tab to upload your books, art prints, or anything else you can think of. Set your prices and write compelling descriptions. For recurring income, subscriptions are your best friend. Create different tiers with exclusive content, like behind-the-scenes access or early releases. Finally, promote your Ko-fi page everywhere. Share the link on your social media, in your YouTube video descriptions, and even on your website. Let your fans know how they can support your work. And that's it. You're now equipped to monetize your passion with Ko-fi. Get creative, engage with your fans, and watch your support grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tips and tricks.